Hello everyone, welcome back again. My name is Jesse, and in this wonderful and exciting tutorial we're trying to see how to work with Ollama and then Gemma, right? So Google already has Gemini, and then they also released a new one called Gemma, right? Like gems, so like precious metals, precious stones, so that's the meaning. And it's a very simple lightweight LLM which we'll be using. So let's see how to work with it using Ollama and then Gemma. So the nice thing about Ollama is that the interface is very easy. So it doesn't only just support Llama 2 and the rest, although the name is Ollama, but it supports other models. So let's see if it's available. So I'll go back to my models, and if I come to my models, we have Gemma, right? And it's about 17 pools as of today, which is very cool. So let's see how to fetch it. So if I come back here, and then you can see the information about it, the various features of Gemma, right? Gemma, anyhow you pronounce it. These are the parameters and the benchmark stuff, the eval stuff. Okay, so most of the time the benchmarks are okay, but it depends on the problem you're trying to solve, right? So you have to use different models based on the kind of problem you're solving. So I'll go back again, and then you see how to pull it. So if I come to the tags, we have different versions of Gemma. So we have the latest, which is 1.4, which is not that big, right? And then we have the same 2 billion, and then we have 7 billion parameters, which is 4.8 gigabytes. But we will go with the receiving instruct, which is very cool. So we just go with the first one here. So in case you don't have it and you have not installed Ollama, you can just install Ollama with pip install Ollama, right? So there is Ollama Python that you can also install, but that's how to install it, and I already have it, so I can just go with Ollama list, and then you can see that I already have fetched the model already, right? I've already fetched the model. So to fetch it, you can just go with Ollama run Gemma. So in case it does not have it, it's going to pull it, and then you can have it, right? So I already have it and it's already running. So now I can just send a message. So let's send some message to test. So what is the difference between LLM, right, and then an ML model, right? So let's see if it will be able to know that this LLM is referring to data science LLM. So let's see in an ML so model. Let's see. I'm checking it, and this will take some time for it to run, and then it will process it and return the result. I like this thing about it. So the nice thing about nowadays is that wow, it's very fast. That is not slow. So it was able to identify that this LLM is a large language model, and you can see how it is formatting it, which is very nice, right? It's a very nice way it's formatting it. Very cool. So it's an artificial intelligence model that can understand and generate human-like text. Very cool. So it's giving us this. Okay, so let's see some other platforms you can try in case you want to use Gemma locally, apart from using it with Ollama. You can also try it from from the Python interface. So whilst it's running, I can come back again, and then I can just go with, let's say I have Python 3, 10, and then I can just go with import, come back, and then import Ollama, and then you can just go with my Ollama, right? And then you specify this just like we did earlier on for OpenAI. So now they have made the interface very easy for us to use. So all you need is just import the model, and then you just go with the model that you have created, then .chat, then you pass in the name of the model, which is going to be Gemma or Gemma, right? So that is going to be the name of the model, which will be model. Yep. And then you just pass in your message, right? Your message is supposed to be in a tuple, right? So a list of, not a tuple, but a list of dictionary, which will take in the particular role, just like always. So role, and then you specify the user. So yeah, sorry for this typing. Then your particular content, which is going to be your prompt that you want to send. So So this is how to use it, right? So it's very cool that you don't need a lot of things. You just put in whatever your prompt is, whatever prompt you want to put it here, you put it here, and then you generate it, right? So that is how to use it because of the Python interface, which is very cool. So that is one way. And the other alternative you can also use is that now Perplexity is very fast. So if you go to Labs of Perplexity, it's already there. So you can also try it out, which is very cool, right? You see that it's already both the 7B and then 2B are already here. So in case you don't have powerful system and you want to still try it out, you can go straight away to Perplexity, which is very, very cool. And you can just type what is you can see something, but it's quantum physics, right? Yeah, I can't spell physics. So something like this, and it's giving us very fast. And I think the platform on Perplexity and the infrastructure of Perplexity is very, very cool. So it's faster than my system. My system is still generating the answer. Right, it's done, right? Which is very cool. Okay, that's another way you can also try it. And these are the two main ways, or the simplest way you can also try it. So Perplexity has it. I think Hugging Face Chat also has it. So if you go to Hugging Face, you have to sign up. But if you don't want to sign up, go to the nice one, Perplexity AI. So that is how to use Gemma with Ollama. So it's very simple. Just install Ollama and then Ollama run to get it, and then you can just query or interface with it straight away here, right? So thank you for watching the tutorial. I hope this was something simple you can do. See you another time. And you can quickly build a simple Streamlit app based on the same interface. And this was the simple app we built, in which we can just change the model. So we have Tiny Llama and Gemma, and then you can just give it your prompt, right? Very cool. So thank you for watching. See you another time. Stay blessed.